What are hashtags and how to use them? We all have seen these hashtags being used on various social media platforms. But do we really know what are they and how to use them? Hashtags are nothing but a word or a phrase preceded by a hash sign and is used to identify information on various topics, events, or trends. Within an application, there are hyperlinks which on click show us all the content with the same hashtag. It is the most popular way to categorize data on social media. The trend actually started on Twitter and eventually it got famous on Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, Pinterest, Google+, and many other microblogging sites. It basically groups all the content with the same hashtag together. For instance, if we want to check for desserts, we can simply search for hashtag desserts and it will show a result of all the posts which have hashtag desserts. Doesn't it make searching for content easier? Now let's talk about the tips for using hashtags. They are not supposed to be used as quotation marks. All you have to do is type a hashtag and the word or a phrase you want to hashtag without any space. Hashtags do not accept all the special characters. The only special character accepted is an underscore. If you want to separate two or more words with a special character, just type hashtag, the first word followed by the underscore and then the second word. This is true for all the social medias except Tumblr. Tumblr does accept special characters and even a space between two words. Try to avoid the usage of long hashtags. They are not so easily readable. If you want to use long hashtags, an easy way to make it more readable is by capitalizing first alphabet of each word. Try using hashtags which are relevant and related to your post. Using more hashtags will not increase the engagement of your post. If you are posting about a job, hashtag making, hashtag real does not make any sense. Just keep it short and relevant. If you are using them on a platform like Instagram, which allows up to 30 hashtags, avoid using them all in the caption. This increases the scroll of your post. Instead, you can use them 3 to 4 within the caption and the rest you can use them in the comment. Your post will still be searchable from all the hashtags which have used within the caption and comment. When you start typing a hashtag on any social media, they do give a few suggestions. But are you the one who's always confused about which hashtag to use, which are the most trending ones, and which are the most relevant for your post? There are platforms like Hashtagify, Talkwalker, but the best one I found was RightTag. This platform gives all the details about which hashtags are the most popular ones and which are not. If you search for a word, it will give you results of top 10 hashtags which can be associated with that word along with all the statistics. Now you know the right place to check for the best hashtags. If you are using them on Twitter, using hashtags will increase the engagement of your post by 2 times. But it will decrease your engagement by 17% if you are using more than 2 hashtags. On Instagram, the engagement of your post will be less if you are using just 3 to 4 hashtags. But it will increase up to 78% if you are using more than 11 hashtags. These are the 2 social medias where we make the most use of hashtags. Now you know all about hashtags and you can start hashtagging even more. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.